in 2003, 2030, because in pivot table only working on 2013. So we recap each and everything right now. I share my Excel sheet and everybody, we have to do this task with me, okay? Okay, everyone got this. Everyone got this data. So my task is I want to find out all the manager data function I have to be used. Hello Bharat bhai. Anyone have questions? Please, have any questions regarding our project? So please ask me. In this sessions we do all the task. अगर आप कोई कर रहे हैं इसमें कोई प्रॉब्लम हो रही है so please ask me.
Chat window is also enable participants. So if you want to write queries in chat box,
Hello.
then you can.
ओके, ओवर हियर आई राइट डाउन द क्वेश्चंस एंड आपको मुझे ये ढूंढ के मुझे देना है, ठीक है?
Participant, hello, participant, you can unmute yourself. If you want to ask the questions or any query.
Actually, madam, chat screen is not enabled yet.
Yes.
Chat. I'm just my question to Monica ma'am. Chat screen is not enabled for participants yet.
Okay, sir. We will do that.
Not an issue, but yeah. Thank you. Vishal sir, can you show your notepad file, please?
Sure. See, first of all, ये एनालाइजिंग शीट जो है एक्सेल की शीट में ये,
हाँ जी.
I want to finding out the manager designation salary. जितने भी डेजिग्नेशन ABC XYZ में जो भी है, मुझे उनकी सैलरीज चाहिए. सेकंड, कंपनी का नाम ABC लिमिटेड है, उसके डिपार्टमेंट 2 में मुझे अकाउंट की सैलरीज चाहिए. और this is department 1 where we are using an accountant whose salary is greater than 12,500. I want this data. There is 3 tasks you have to be performed. Okay, can I give the another question from the CAGR? ये आपने देख लिया, नोटपैड में मैंने दिखा डिस्प्ले किया है ये. Yes या no? Anyone say yes or no? I go to the another section, another question.
Yes, we are trying now. Right now.
Oh, okay.
Allow me 2 to 5 minutes.
Sure. No problem, sir.
Hello.
Yes.
Whether answer for the first question is 7,91,000.
Let's see, find it out. Yes. 7,91,000.
Yeah.
Second one answer.
Sir, please show the Excel sheet. Yeah.
जी?
Sorry, this one. Yeah, notepad.
Yes, first का आंसर इतना है, 7,91,000. Second answer.
1 minute, sir.
Sir, 1,12,500.
Just 1 minute. 1 lakh.
12,500.
Okay, let me check.
1,25,000.
So we're using a sum if S. One lakh 25,000.
1,25,000. Next question, please.
1,25,000. This is the right answer. And second one.
Sir, 60,000.
60,000. Let's check. First of all, we're taking the header name. First of all.
1 lakh. It's, I think.
Then after department 1. Then after accountant. And is greater than 1,12,500.
Is it 60,000?
Yes, it is 60,000.
Yeah.
60,000, right?
Yeah. Yes, yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Done it.
Yeah, done. Next.
Go to for the CAGR.
Yes,
Okay.
sir. Yes.
Okay. These are my questions. In 2010, I'm the investment company. I have to invest 100 CR for any organizations. My criteria is if the company's CAGR is more than 9%, then I have to invest. Okay. So I'm finding one of the companies, which company name is PQR Limited. In 2010, they're starting that business with 2,50,000. Then after 2011, 2012, 2013, 2014, 2015, 2016 and 2017. In 2010 to 11, they're getting only 5% growth. Then after minus 2% loss, then 8% growth, then 10% profit, then 12% profit, then 5% growth, and then again 7% growth. So my question is, if the growth rate is more and equal to 9%, इसका CAGR कितना है? Please finding out the CAGR. This is my question. Third questions. Everybody know that questions? Razin, कल के लिए एक एम्प्लॉय वाला टीम लीडर के सेल्स एग्जीक्यूटिव्स है और उससे हमारा वो डेटा आना चाहिए वो बना दोगे अभी
पाइथन में
नहीं एक्सेल में
एक्सेल
बना।
Okay, Vishal bhai, unmute yourself. Unmute yourself. Vishal bhai, hello. Hello. મારો અવાજ આવે છે ને?
हाँ
Unmute
मैम
yourself.
सॉरी म्यूट થઈ ગયું હતું मैम.
Okay, okay, no problem, no problem.
So my question is, this company CAGR is 9%. Can I invest in this company PQR? Yes or no? Give me the answer in yes or no. If yes, so why? And if no, to why? Okay. Razin, कल 9 बजे we are using your laptop because तुम्हारा 2019 है ना, for the map purpose, तो technical के लिए use होता है ना वो.
ठीक है सर. म्यूट है सर. म्यूट है सर. म्यूट है सर.
क्या?
म्यूट है.
नहीं चालू है.
सर वो क्या बनाने का बोल रहे थे? एम्प्लॉय
हमारे पास टीम लीडर्स हैं, टीम लीडर्स के अंदर में सेल्स एग्जीक्यूटिव्स हैं, तो क्योंकि किसका कितना सेल हुआ वो.
अच्छा
तो तुम्हारे एक्सेल की शीट में पढ़ा है ना, मैच में पढ़ा है ना डेटा.
हाँ लास्ट में
दैट्स कुछ निकालो.
एक्सेल में नहीं पढ़ा.
हेलो सर,
यस.
CAGR 8% आ रहा है, तो आपको 9% चाहिए, तो मुझे लगता है नहीं करना चाहिए.
ओके, लेट्स वी चेक आउट. सबको इतना ही आ रहा है, 8% आ रहा है सबका.
Yes, sir.
ओके, लेट्स वी चेक.
Yes, CAGR is 8%. Same.
Closing balance divide by opening balance power. Divide by how many years? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 6% आ रहा है.
सॉरी.
हेलो
जी
2010 में कुछ नहीं है परसेंटेज इंटरेस्ट. आई थिंक नंबर ऑफ इयर्स आर
but we take the 2010 we this is initial year, but we take 2010 to 11 का percentage 5% हुआ, and then 11 to 12 2%, 12 to 30 8%.
there are 7 years.
6% आ रहा है.
Yes,
6%
we
आ रहा
take the 7 years.
Yes, there are 7
है.
years.
7 years लेना पड़ेगा. 7 years लेना पड़ेगा. 6% आ रहा है.
Then we
Yes,
getting
yes.
the 6%, so that's not a good investment. The company is growing right now, but that compound annual growth rate is 6%. बहुत slow चल रही है कंपनी.
सर 5.5% आ रहा है
जी
5.5% आ रहा है
5.5
5% समथिंग 5.56% लाइक
आपने 2,50,000 ही लिए 2010 में.
ये जी
In 2011 5%, फिर then -2 लॉस है उसका.
सर एक्चुअली 6 इयर्स ना सर
जी
6 इयर्स ना कैसे 2010 to 15 है 6 इयर्स
आपने
ना
इतने तक ही लिया है.
आई हैव टेकन 6 इयर्स सर
Not a 6 year. You take the 7 years. Because the base year also we are already count. 2010 to 11 they getting the 5% growth. This is my base amount.
ओके सर ओके सर थैंक यू
6% में आ रहा है आपका. My other question is, या आ रहा है कितने लोगों को आ रहा है?
यस यस 6 आ रहा है सर.
Yeah, we got
ये बताइए. See, ये एवरेज भी मैं ले रहा हूँ. I take the average. So average अगर मैं ले रहा हूँ हर एक में यहाँ पे 6%, 6%, 6%. See, 4 years 6% एवरेज ले रहा हूँ. तो यहाँ पे वैल्यू कितनी आएगी मेरी? ये 38459 आनी चाहिए. इसकी जगह कितनी कौन सी वैल्यू है? ये वाली वैल्यू मुझे डिफरेंस चाहिए. आई वांट एवरेज. मैं अगर एवरेज सब में ले रहा हूँ तो डिफरेंस क्या आ रहा है?
6% आ रहा है
सर डिस्टर्बेंस आ रहा है आपकी आवाज में.
सर एवरेज भी 6% आ रहा है सर
एवरेज 6% आ रहा है ना आपका.
हाँ
यही 6% मैं यहाँ पे वैल्यू से रख रहा हूँ. ठीक है, ये जो 6% है ना मैंने उसको यहाँ पे वैल्यू के साथ रखा है. अब काउंटर एचपी मैं इसको परसेंटेज में कन्वर्ट कर रहा हूँ. मैंने 6% को यहाँ पे कन्वर्ट कर दिया. अब यहाँ पे वैल्यू कौन सी आएगी? 3845559 आएगी या इससे अलग आएगी? ये मुझे फाइंड करके बताइए.
सर 3,78,280 कम आ रही है.
कम आ रही है ना? बिकॉज वी आर यूजिंग
कम आ रही है कम आ
कम
रही
आ
है.
रही है. वाई? चेक कर लेते हैं. मैं सिंपल ऊपर का फॉर्मूला एडॉप्ट कर लेता हूँ. मैंने इसको कॉपी कर दिया ना.
3,7590.
कितनी वैल्यू आ रही है? 6676 3,86,676 आ रही है.
Hello, participants.
Yes.
There is a disturbance in communication. Please mute yourself. किसी के माइक से बैकग्राउंड से आवाज आ रही है. पार्टिसिपेंट्स प्लीज अपना माइक म्यूट कीजिए.
कितना डिफरेंस आ रहा है? किसी को 2170 का डिफरेंस आ रहा है कि नहीं आ रहा है? और CAGR लेके चेक करिए आप. फिर उसके बाद डिफरेंस आ रहा है कि नहीं आ रहा है? एवरीवन, ये आ रहा है डिफरेंस सबका? एवरेज से हम ले रहे हैं तो. हेलो एवरीवन.
हाँ सर.
आ रहा है डिफरेंस?
Yes. Yes sir.
ओके, अब एक दूसरा टास्क हम देख रहे हैं, ठीक है? मतलब दिस इज अ कंपाउंड एनुअल ग्रोथ रेट, ओके, दैट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. अब द क्वेश्चन मार्क इज कि सर ये 6% 8% कैसे आएगा? सो दे आर इंक्लूडिंग द बैलेंस शीट्स, वी जस्ट फाइंडिंग देयर रेशियो. Generally we are using a year over year, otherwise we are using as a quarter as well. As in every company 3 months quarters हम यहाँ पे include करेंगे. The quarter wise also we getting the data and we also finding out the CAGR. Okay, got it all of you?
Sir, can you show me the formula of N8 cell? जो आपको जो नीचे वाला जो 6% एवरेज लिया हमने,
हाँ,
N8 सेल पे आप कर्सर लेके जाएंगे प्लीज सर. N8 वाला
N यहाँ पे
N8 जो 2,66,071 जो वैल्यू है ना, नीचे नीचे
एड्रेस बार N8
N8 266071 वाला वैल्यू.
यस.
हाँ यस वो वाली फॉर्मूला.
यहाँ पे कोई फॉर्मूला नहीं है, यही है फॉर्मूला, आगे की वैल्यू नहीं है बस.
विशाल भाई, you put your cursor on N8 cell address. N8, N for Nagarjun, 8th row.
N8.
Yes, and show the formula to that fellow. Yes.
Okay. We take the 2,50,000 multiply by the 6%, then also adding the 2,50,000. Same formula मैंने ऊपर का कॉपी कर दिया. That's it.
हेलो सर.
जी,
हेलो सर, आप एंटर कीजिए सर, एंटर.
just 1 minute. फिर પછી कॉल करेगा.
हाँ
હું પછી कॉल करूँ मम्मी, प्लीज डिस्टर्ब ना कर મને, પછી कॉल करूँ ना, कॉल करूँ પછી મારું લેક્ચર ચાલુ છે. यस सर, सॉरी. हेलो
सर, एक बार एंटर कीजिए वहाँ पे एंटर. ओके सर, थैंक यू.
Okay, right now I want to create one of the formula. See, in 1,20,000 अगर कोई अमाउंट है, सपोज एनी अमाउंट्स, उस पर मुझे 2% ऐड करना है. See, मैं ये भी जो वैल्यू आ रही है इसमें मैं 2% ऐड कर रहा हूँ. कितना? 2%. फिर जो वैल्यू आ रही है उस पर इंटू 12%, और मुझे ये सम 13680 है, जिसको मैं PIPO करके एक फॉर्मूला में मैं लाना चाह रहा हूँ. तो मैं ये फॉर्मूला कैसे बना सकता हूँ? दैट मीन्स के PIPO फॉर्मूला हो इज इक्वल टू PIPO and opening bracket and taking this value and bracket close, so I getting 13680 value. So how can I make this?
We need to put some values in rows and columns, and we need to take the reference.
I want to create my own formula. How I can create my formula? फॉर्मूला बनाना है, फॉर्मूला का नाम है PIPO.
VBA function.
Yes.
Using macro, you define it as
not
a
using
function.
macro. Not
Sorry. In module we need to put that function code.
Yes, I want to create a function PIPO. And I need this answer.
Okay, you go to the developer.
Yes, you can make it and show me
Okay,
how you
no
can
problem.
create it.
Okay, we'll make it, no problem. Developer. PIPO functions, right? Yes.
Yes, PIPO. That should be all in capital word, okay?
Correct.
But remember one thing in developer sections, in some time when we function, you give the name, the upper name, and then you describe the function name. Make sure that spelling and uppercase, lowercase both are same. In uppercase, lowercase, that not can create any issue, but sometimes they create an issue. They're not properly getting the data. Okay. आ रहा है आंसर की प्रॉब्लम हो रही है?
Yeah.
Done it?
Yes.
Okay. Anyone else done it? So just we create it. तो सर जिनका क्रिएट हो गया है तो 12500 का कौन क्या आंसर आ रहा है वो मुझे बताएंगे आप? 12500 12,500 का क्या?
ओके 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 14,250 14,250 40,250
ओके
करेक्ट
ये भरत भाई किसने भरत भाई ने किया? एनी पर्सन एनीवन कैन डू इट. दिस इज 74 प्लस पार्टिसिपेशन. किसी ने नहीं किया ये क्या?
सर एक्चुअली डेवलपर नहीं है.
आपका कौन सा वर्जन आप यूज कर रहे हैं?
माय सर
आशीष कुमार जी. आशीष
हाँ
कुमार
जी.
जी.
हाँ जी
Sir,
सर.
which version you are using right now?
I am using 2019.
2019. Okay.
Yeah.
I show you the path. See, first of all, going to file.
Sir, actually I completed, but another participant had asked the question. I completed the same thing.
Yeah,
Okay.
this is Praveen Loharkar, sir. This is Praveen Loharkar. Yeah, I'm
Or-
not having.
The question is raised by Praveen Kumar.
Who is Praveen Kumar? Yes, Praveen Kumar ji.
Yeah, actually I'm not having the developer version. I think in my.
In which version you are using right now, Praveen ji?
I'll have to check because I am using my office system.
What?
This is my office system.
Okay.
I'll have
Okay.
to check which version it is. Yeah.
Okay. I show you one of the shortcut key as well as if you want to open your this VBA portions, just only press Alter, then F11 key. Alter,
Okay, Alt F11.
Alt and F11.
All right. Alt F11. And what is the conventional route? Yeah. I got into Microsoft Visual Basic for applications.
Sure. But the way is, if you want to add the developer tab, you go to the file, then option, then customize ribbons. Over there, you have to see the developer tab is unchecked. So please check and click OK. So they show you on a menu.
And how to get out of this window?
Yes.
Acha, how to get out of this VBA window by pressing the same keys, Alt F11, right?
Yes. Not you just click Alt F4. You just close the window. That's it.
Yeah. Actually, I'm able to pivot between the two windows by clicking Alt F11. Okay.
Okay. That's shortcut key.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay, so we just checking out how to create. We go to developers, Visual Basic. Otherwise, we just Alt F11. We just pressing Alt F11. We go to the modular. These are already modular sections. I create PIPO. What is PIPO? I take the value X into 0.02, then plus X into 0.12, then plus X. X as a long. Okay. Great. Okay, so going
can
to
you please
another section. Yes.
Can you please show the VBA window again? Okay, so basically we can create our own functions through this.
Yes. But the name should be same. Like this is a PIPO and this is a PIPO.
So what is the purpose of this XS long?
G.
XS long क्यों लिखा हुआ है XS long?
Why? Because the long take all the values.
Okay.
If I'm taking the integers, so I'm going to be limited area. This is not in float. Then after decimal, sorry, double, not a decimal, double. They have already all double. So we take the long, because it's long, they take all the values. So if the value is going to be far away, because this is in data type, on a kind of the data types.
And we need not have to press Control S, something like that. It will automatically store it.
Yes. We take double as well as, but they take the floating point. See, these are all the double, all the data type that should be mentioned. They double, then after integer.
Then you have to save, sir.
Float. Okay. So
you need to save it. आपको save करना है, Control S करके.
Yeah, understood.
Yeah.
Thank you.
And if you save this file, please, if you save this file, so save as, just I'm going to desktop, please save this file in Microsoft Enable. See, enable macro enable worksheet. Excel macro enable workbook में save कीजिएगा, please. Dot Excel workbook, macro enable workbook, okay? We go into question number 4. Everyone done this task? Okay. My loan amount is 2,50,000. Rate is 1%. And year is 3 years. So I need a principal amount. Okay. And other task is I starting with 10,000. 10,000, then 15,000. मैं इसको ऐसे ड्रैग कर रहा हूँ. It's all amount I have. 5%, 6%, 7, 8, 9, 10. I need there all the data's EMI. The question's 4 number is I want to principal amount, and then after I need their all EMIs.
How much is the loan amount? Yeah, 25. The principal is 8184. Is it?
8184.
0.68, yeah.
Okay. And you're finding all the EMIs? These all EMIs. If you've done this thing, so please share this screenshot into the WhatsApp. That should be convenient for you. Mansi ma'am, if that should be not problem. Hello.
Hello.
If ma'am that is not problem, so ये जो data है, ये screenshot भेज सकते हैं ये लोग. So I will check it out.
हाँ, they can. Please request all participants paste your screenshot in our WhatsApp group so Vishal sir can check it.
Let's check the principal amount. सर ये प्रिंसिपल अमाउंट जिन्होंने लिखवाया था, राइट नाउ दिस प्रिंसिपल अमाउंट 5893.
Yeah, sir, it is actually 5,893. Principal amount. Interest amount is 2,291. So the total is 8,184. Yeah.
No, sir, we are not counting total. We just counting PMT and IMT. That both value are going to be in EMI. Okay.
Principal amount is 5,893. Yeah.
Yes. Done this task or not? I will show this task. Everyone done this task?
I think all participants must be getting what we are delivered by Vishal sir.
Everyone done this task and I will do it. If you done, so I will do it just checking your answer. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
So first of all, per month transaction, the rate is 7% divided by 12, comma, n per 12, comma, present value. Into 12. Okay. 8184 is EMI. Just select all the data first of all. Without selecting data, we can't perform this task. Then after go to data table, then in what if analysis, and in data table. In data table, we have the row inputs and column inputs. In row inputs, so first of all, these are all the data, this loan amount in a row formation, and but we are taking the formula for this loan. So we just putting this amount, and this column index, we take this rate, and okay. So there is a right answer for us. We also take the some basic task over here, just like we checking the conditioning formatting for that, higher to lower, lower to higher, bar graphs. Okay. So amount is more, so EMI is more, then low. We make everything over here. We just manage rules. We are sorry, clear rules first of all. Clear selected cell and then okay. Done it.
Can you please show what data is to be input in the data table once again?
Okay, I repeat this task again. First of all, what I'm doing, I put the EMI formula over here, PMT, per month transaction formula over here. Then I'm selecting the whole the table. I'm selecting whole the table. Then after going to data and then what if analysis, and I'm select the data table. In this data table, we require the row input and column input. But depend on this, formula. So right now this is a row input where all the loan amount is included, loan amount is situated, and this column is already mentioned the rate. But this formula taking this loan amount. So we take the loan amount this, yes, and column this and okay. अभी किसी को डाउट्स हैं? हेलो.
Okay.
Okay, we take another task. Hello, everyone. This goal sick. Okay. My question is, you have to see this goal sick sheet right now with you have, because right now I've shared this sheet. I need that I putting the value is 122 over here, and I need a 35,000 profit. So how much inventory I want? If my sales price is only 122 and I need a 35,000 profit, so how much inventory I want? Anyone get the answer? Hello participations. Anyone get the answer or not?
Hello, participants. Hello. Please reply.
Yes, ma'am, please.
Yes.
ये हो गया
No,
टास्क.
ma'am.
कितना प्रोडक्ट मुझे इन्वेंटरी कितनी चाहिए? मैं 165 की जगह 122 चाहता हूँ और प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस के अंदर 35,000. तो यहाँ पे मेरी कितनी इन्वेंटरी होनी चाहिए?
Some
ओके
नीरव बलदा
175
सर
ये नीरव जी ने कहा 17500 ओके सबका इतना ही आ रहा है 17500 आ रहा है
आशीष सर यू आर नॉट ऑडिबल आशीष सर
जी
you are not audible.
I am here only, but I have one call from office, so just allow me 2 minutes. I'll be back.
Okay.
Okay, let's be checking out. So first of all, we take the PLN account, then data, goal sick. I need 35,000. So first of all, what I'm doing, I just taking 122 over here first of all, and then after in goal sick, I need 35,000 profit. So by changing which cell? Inventory. The answer is wrong. Nirav Balda ji, your answer is wrong. The right answer is 48,500. ये आ रहा है सभी को? हेलो
सर आप वो स्टेप्स वापस एक बार करके दिखाओगे?
Sure, definitely. See, what I need, my sales price only 122 I want to put. My purchase price is 120, but I need a sales price is only 122. So I take the 122 over here. So I make the loss. My loss is 42,000 rupees. I not make loss. मुझे यहाँ पे कितने चाहिए 35,000 चाहिए. So first of all I select this cell, what if analysis and goal seek. In this goal seek B9 is my set cell. This is right now my set cells. In this cell, which value I want? I want value 35,000. By changing which cell? This 1,000 inventory. But remember one thing, all the cells are interconnected between each others. Okay, this is not a hard-coded value. They all are the formulas. So that's why they give the answer. See.
Yeah, got it. Thank you, sir.
That's why we creating any productivity products, how much bulk we need products, so we can, if I'm making the ratio is very below, so how much inventory I want, तो ये सारी चीजें मैं एनालिसिस कर सकता हूँ गोल 6 से. पता चला कि नहीं चला?
Yes sir.
Yes, sir.
अब एक लास्ट क्लास ले लेते हैं, ठीक है? See, first of all the participations, मैंने अभी आपको जो Excel, I just taught you in Excel and advanced Excel. We creating a lots of project in Excel. ठीक है? हम Excel के अंदर बहुत सारे projects भी बनाते हैं. Done it. Someone is sending me the results. Okay, that's good. हाँ, मिस ये दिशा जी का अच्छा है. So basically you are all the professors. Am I right? You are engineering professors. So I'm a trainer. So sometimes we are not we facing some of the gap between क्योंकि आपका होता है कि एक structured होता है, मेरा थोड़ा सा ऐसा होता है कि you know each and everything. So what is very important, that things I have to be representing to you. Okay. Second thing कि यहाँ पे आज जो पहला दिन था, that's only the basic sessions, because this is all the basic sessions. We going to very depth level from the Excel in the next round, the next day, where we creating the dashboards and each and everything. वहाँ पे मैं जो भी basic formulas भी है, we just taking them. आशीष जी आपको कुछ कहना है?
नहीं, thank you. It is very nice session.
Sir, चलिए ठीक है, थैंक यू फॉर द गुड कॉम्प्लीमेंट्स. बट हमारा जो नेक्स्ट सेशन रहेगा कल का, ठीक है? सो इफ यू हेलो, हमारा कल का जो सेशन रहेगा जहाँ पे मैं हम मैक्रो का ज़्यादा यूज़ करेंगे, ठीक है। सो आई मेंशन ऑल द कीज, सो प्लीज रिमेंबर, बिकॉज मैक्रो को हम अनडन नहीं कर सकते, मतलब कंट्रोल Z बटन करके अनडन नहीं कर सकते। when we do the one process, they follow the process. If we fail any steps, my macro is totally collapse. Okay. So हम मॉर्निंग से ये सेशन लेने वाले हैं, मैं आपको एक पूरी रिक्वायरमेंट भी दे दूंगा, और ये एक्सेल की शीट्स जो है, आई एम ऑल्सो ज्वाइनिंग विद योर ग्रुप, सो आई एम शेयरिंग द ऑल द डिटेल्स, इवन द लिंक्स, तो कि वहाँ से आपको पूरा डेटा भी मिल जाएगा। हो सके तो कल हम 2013 और 16 पे ज़्यादा वर्क करेंगे, क्योंकि एक 16 में और 19 में एक वर्जन दिया है जिसमें वी आर ऑल्सो यूजिंग अ मैप्स, सो वी कैन सेपरेट द डेटा एज मैप वाइज। जो टैबुलर यूज़ करते हैं, जो एनालिटिकल टूल्स हैं ग्राफिकल रिप्रेजेंटेशन के लिए, वो बहुत अच्छी तरीके से इसमें भी रिप्रेजेंट करता है, ठीक है। अभी हम लास्ट सेशन ले लेते हैं, एंड आई होप कि एवरीवन कैन डू इट। ओके, बहुत पार्टिसिपेंट अभी कम हो रहे हैं, 59 अभी 60 थे, अभी 59 हो चुके हैं। तो हम एक लास्ट टॉपिक लेने के बाद रैन आफ्टर वी आई फॉरवर्ड दिस सेशन टू मानसी मैम। ओके, अब मान लीजिए कि वन ऑफ माय कंपनी, मैं 2 लाख इन्वेस्ट करना चाहता हूँ एक कंपनी के अंदर, XYZ करके कंपनी है जो एवरी ईयर 5% का रिटर्न देती है। तो अप्रोक्सीमेटली 4 साल के बाद मुझे कितने पैसे मिलेंगे? व्हाट इज माय फ्यूचर वैल्यू? आप मुझे फाइंड करके बताएंगे। इफ आई एम इन्वेस्टिंग 2 लाख रुपीज, द रेट इज 5%, so in 4 years I am investing my money, so what is my future value?
एक मिनट सर।
सर 2,44,179।
2,44,179.
179।
Okay, let's we check. This rate we have to divide by 12, comma year into 12, comma per month transaction. We are not taking any amount. PV, end of the period. Yes, exactly. 2,44,179. इसका चार्ट आप बना सकते हैं। मुझे रिवर्स चार्ट भी चाहिए, और इसका प्रेजेंट से फ्यूचर का और फ्यूचर से प्रेजेंट का चार्ट भी चाहिए। वो आप मुझे एक्सेल की शीट पे भेज सकते हैं, 2 डिफरेंट चार्ट।
यस सर।
ये इन्होंने भेजा है 2,43,101, ये गलत है। डॉक्टर विक्रम, सॉरी करीम, डॉक्टर करीम जी, दैट इज रॉन्ग आंसर। डॉक्टर करीम जी, यू आर लाइव राइट नाउ? हेलो।
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'm live.
Sir, your answer is wrong. Your answer is 2,43,101. Sir, गलत है
Yes,
ये।
sir.
See, when we have the rate, there is a 5% for a year.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
So मैं every month का consider करके करूँगा।
That means we have to multiply with 12, sir. Divide with 12.
Divide by 12, sir.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
And I need this chart also. See, I'm making this chart. This kind of a chart. I make small sheet. I need this kind of the chart as well as. If I'm taking the opening balance as a 2,50,000, sorry, 2 lakhs, so I'm getting the future value, and I'm getting the future value as a opening balance. So I got a closing balance 2 lakhs. ये चार्ट मुझे डिस्प्ले करके देख सकते हैं? Just share me this task and share me the screenshot. Okay. ये चार्ट बना के मुझे भेजिए प्लीज. ये इन्होंने भेजा है बट इसमें प्रॉब्लम है सर. ये RT ये जो जिनका नंबर है 94 RTJ कौन है? 942936.
Yes sir, yes sir, yes sir, yes yes sir, yes
First
sir.
of all, you are using a 2003 versions. ये 2007 है आपके पास.
हाँ, yes sir.
Excel 2007 है, am I right?
Yes sir, yes 7.
हाँ, और सर ये you are only taking the 24 months. मतलब you are only taking 2 years. That is a 4 years.
Okay sir, वो एक्चुअली नीचे कंटिन्यू करना है. Okay sir, okay.
Because right now closing balance is not matched with them. We has done it. निशा जी मुझे इसका चार्ट भी चाहिए.
चार्ट में वहां पे डालूं व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप में.
Yes, you share the WhatsApp. आप उसको स्क्रीन को थोड़ा छोटा करके स्नैपशॉट लेके मुझे भेज दीजिए. मुझे मंथ चाहिए यहाँ पे. ओपनिंग बैलेंस, इंटरेस्ट, क्लोजिंग बैलेंस. या ओपनिंग बैलेंस 2 लाख से स्टार्ट होगी और या इंटरेस्ट काउंट करना है मुझे. ठीक है.
भेज दिया मैंने, देखिए तो.
और फिर यहाँ पे मुझे ये ओपनिंग ये वैल्यू चाहिए और यहाँ पे नीचे उसकी क्लोजिंग बैलेंस.
सर भेजे मैंने. प्रवीण लोहार सर, प्रवीण कुमार.
प्रवीण जी मैं चेक कर रहा हूँ. प्रवीण जी, दिस इज नॉट 24 months, दैट इज 4 years. आपको 48 months लेने हैं.
अच्छा 48
Sir, there is a 4 years.
Yes, sir.
Sir, this is a 4
4 कैसे
years.
बनाऊं?
हाँ? Sir, this is a 4 year.
Right.
Not 24 months. Okay, great. ये RTG सर आपका नाम क्या है? 9429363089.
राजेश जाम्बुकिया।
हाँ राजेश जी,
राजेश।
सही है आपका।
यस
जी
सर।
सही है, आपका आंसर सही है। अब इसका रिवर्स भी एक मुझे करके दिखा दीजिएगा, ठीक है?
ओके यस सर, थैंक यू
This
सर।
the one person is 9739012811. They are left right now the group. I think मेरा सेशन पसंद नहीं आया लगता है आपको।
Very good session, sir.
ओके,
Yes.
अब एक लास्ट चीज हम देखते हैं, ठीक है?
जी।
For to complete our session, Mehul. Okay. अब ध्यान
अभी मैंने
दीजिएगा,
भेजा है 48 मंथ तक का।
मेहुल ने भेजा वही ना?
नहीं, प्रवीण उसके बाद
यस
वापस भेजा
मेहुल,
मैंने।
राइट। Right. Ab right now we have to see the 4 formulas which is using for how count to date when we take any kind of the projects. अगर हम कोई भी प्रोजेक्ट लेते हैं, so we analyzing how much days, हमें कितने डेज मिले उस पर वर्किंग करने के लिए, ठीक है? हेलो एवरीवन, दिस लास्ट टॉपिक राइट नाउ, ओके? So मैं यहाँ पे एक बेसिक, आई एम जस्ट क्रिएटिंग अ बेसिक कैलेंडर ओवर हियर। आई टेक दिस मंथ, वैसे नहीं 2 मिनट बेस्ट है, बैठ रहे हो ना यहाँ पे? मैं नवंबर ही मंथ ले लेता हूँ, ठीक है? और मैं पूरे नवंबर महीने को यहाँ से लेके यहाँ तक पूरा ट्रैक कर देता हूँ। और यहाँ पे उसके डेज लेते हैं, वी जस्ट टेकिंग द डेज। डेट के लिए क्या था? डेट था ना, डेट था ना? नहीं, इस पे डेज चाहिए, तो मैं कैसे लेते थे डेज?
DAY DAY
ये करके लेते थे तो डेट आती थी सर। आज की
फॉर्मेट से क्या था?
न्यू डे ऐसा कुछ था।
इसको बुलाओ ना, फॉर्मेट से क्या था?
it will, you want days only, first part date and type date.
अरे sorry. X is equal to value, comma, multiplication. ओके कल कितने बजे?
9 बजे होगा। दिवाली चौधरी का दिन है। चौथी बढ़िया दिन है। 16वीं ओके मैंने एक छोटा सा यहाँ पे कैलेंडर बनाया हुआ है, मतलब आई जस्ट क्रिएटिंग वन ऑफ द कैलेंडर 1 नवंबर से लेके 30 नवंबर तक का, ठीक है, एंड आई मेंशन द डेज ओवर आल्सो. See how can I take the days? I use the text formula when I take the values and there's format triple D, so they take the date. In 1st November they have the Sunday as well as. So right now my task is I start one of the project on 1st November. And I have completed within a 15 days. मुझे इसको 15 दिन में complete करना है. So how many working days I got to complete this project? ठीक है. So in which date I have completed my project is equal to work day. This is my start day. How much day I need and bracket close. I'm not putting right now holiday over here. So see, this is a 44136. This is a this show the value. I convert this value into the small date, short date. So right now in 11th, just 15, yes. So on 20th November, I have completed my task. On 20th November, so I getting the last date for the 20th November. Well, if I'm starting my project on 1st November 2020 and I got only 15 days to complete, so my task is complete on 20 November 2020. So right now we will be checking how. So first of all, we're not taking the first date, second date, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We not consider Saturday and Sunday. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Sorry, my mistake. We're not taking the first day. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We're not taking the first date, okay? So we start with the second name. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 30, 40, and 50. See, the 20th November I have completed my task, and see, this is the 20th November. If I'm taking the holidays, right now in 6th November there is a holiday. Then after we just mentioned the 16th November there is a holiday. And just I copy these holidays and put the outside the data, and over here we take the holidays as well as completed my task on 24th November. I completed my task on 24th November. So that's called a work day. But everybody know that things. दिखाई दे रहा है आप सबको? Yes या no? Hello. हेलो भरत भाई.
हेलो.
यस, पता चल रहा है सर?
हाँ, स्क्रीन का, लेकिन वो स्क्रॉल अभी नहीं हुआ है. 12 नवंबर तक दिखता है हमको.
अभी आया सर?
नहीं, अभी स्क्रॉल डाउन नहीं हो रहा है. ओनली 13th रो.
नहीं सर, वो अभी 12 दिसंबर ही दिखा रहा है, रो नंबर 13.
हाँ, 13 ही दिखा रहा है.
ओके, मैं फिर से बंद करके स्टार्ट करता हूं.
And your cursor is pointed to D4.
It was like freeze. The screen was freeze.
Yeah, I think it's, yeah.
अब दिखाई दे रहा है सर?
अभी स्क्रीन नहीं आया है आपका।
नहीं सर, अभी जी दिखा रहा है गेस्ट
नहीं ना,
एक्सपर्ट।
अभी शेयर नहीं हुआ है स्क्रीन, शेयर करिए।
अभी शेयर दिखा रहा है सर?
नहीं, अभी
No,
शेयर
sir.
नहीं हुआ।
विशाल भाई फिर से शेयर करना, अभी नाउ इट्स विजिबल। विशाल भाई फिर से शेयर करिए।
जी जी जी, मैं फिर से शेयर कर रहा हूँ।
नाउ इट्स विजिबल।
Now it's visible.
Okay.
Visible now.
Actually, we not say that this is a data analytical formula, but right now, if I'm starting any projects, and someone has told me that I'm start my project in 1st November, and within 15 days I have to complete my projects, and 6th November, 16th November is like a holiday. So in which date I have to completed my projects? So this is the 24th November I have completed my project. What I'm showing the difference between 2007 and 2013, how the formula is also modified in the olden version to newer versions. Okay, so right now they're taking the Saturday Sunday as off, but sometime in other organizations there is not off in a Saturday Sunday. They're only off in a Sunday as well as. Otherwise there's off in a Monday only. So right now this formula is not useful. So Excel is change this formula and they make new other formulas, because in this formula we already skip the Saturday and Sunday. We not take the Saturday and Sunday as working day. Am I right? So there is a new formula is equal to work day INTL. The start date is 1st November, then how much days? 15 days. And they're asking the weekends. That is very important. I only give the holiday only on only and only Sunday. So I put the weekend in 11. See, right now they show me all the data. 1 for Saturday, Sunday, 2 for Sunday, Monday, 3 for Monday, Tuesday, 4 for Tuesday, Wednesday, 5 means Wednesday, Thursday, 6 means Thursday, Friday. So I take only the Sunday as a holiday and then all the holidays. So right now I got in the one of the date. So my task is finished on 20 November. So first date when we start our projects, so we skip this date and we start with another date. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 30, 40 and 50. See, this is 20 November is my date when I finish my projects. They consider Saturday as a working day, but the older version is not considered. So the someone is using the 2007. So they're getting the only workday formula in their Excel sheet, but they're not getting the workday INTL formula in their worksheet. Those participation they are using the 2007, so this formula is not showing in their Excel. Hello, that's why we take the different things. We starting with the 1st November.
Hello.
And we finish our task in 24 November.
Hello.
So how many days we consider? So that's net work day. Starting date, comma, ending date, comma, holiday. This formula also available in 2007, but they are not consider. They consider Saturday Sunday as a holiday. But I've told you that right now in many countries they are not week off in Saturday as well as. So this Saturday is also working day. So right now there's another formula in Excel sheet they make network INTL, which is not available in 2007. Right now weekend is 11 and holidays.
Hello.
So they totally they're getting the 18 days and there's 15 days. So that's the difference between them. I hope you all are enjoying these sessions. This is only for the basic sessions for analytical purpose. Tomorrow, we starting our session approximately 12 o'clock. I think in the timetable, in the 12 o'clock, we, sorry, just 1 minute. Yes, tomorrow our session is starting with the 12 o'clock. There we have to see what is the solvers, and then after we using the macros, advanced macros, and all the things were including with the VBA form. So how an Excel is very useful to creating any data analytics and data science softwares, analyzing data, visualizing the data. So that we show in the next day, 24th November 2020. And I hope you are enjoying these things. And please, I'm already told you that please update your version 2013 to a newer version 2016 and 19, because in 2007 many formulas is not available, which is only and only available in 2013 and 16 and 19. Even in pivot table, you are facing lots of problems. Okay, so I hope you have been enjoying this session. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
And please keep practice for this. I share the Excel sheet to all of you. So I hope you have to do the practice and already WhatsApp me on. Otherwise, I mentioned my email ID. So please mail me your Excel sheet performing your task, so I can evaluate it, and that should be called, because in Excel you have to, many participation they have. So everyone is taking the screenshot, so that should be not be liable. So I give you one of the email ID. Otherwise, ma'am is giving the email ID. So please share your Excel sheet over there. Okay. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Vishal Bhai, for